Are you looking for a way to power your body's natural healing power? Do you believe that true wellness comes from your kitchen, what's on your plate? Your plate is a prescription pad. What you put on it literally becomes who you are. You are what you eat. It's not just a cliche, but it's the bitter truth. Hello and welcome to Livewellpathway. I'm Juliet and I'm happy you found our community. Here we explore the incredible power of food as medicine. My mission here is simple and is to show you that no matter where you are at in your wellness journey, it is never too late to feel better again. This is a place where hope is restored. And if you are ready to transform your health one simple meal at a time, then join our growing community. Subscribe to our channel and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get every video we shall be releasing in the near future. And don't forget to check on our channel for daily tips and hacks. Thank you for watching and I wish you a healthy stay.